I hate California.
I want to go where culture is.
With your work ethic, just go to City College and then to jail and then back to City College and then maybe you'd not expect everything.
I'm Lady Bird.
Hey, I'm not paying you to flirt.
You have a performative streak.
You can't do anything unless you're the center of attention. Well, your mom's tits, they're totally fake. She made one bad decision at 19. Too bad.